Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial where we will explore the process of adding custom error bars to the graphs in Microsoft Excel. Error bars are essential for visualizing uncertainties in our data, and customizing them can provide us a very valuable insight. So how we can do all this, let's learn in this tutorial.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
In this tutorial, firstly, we will learn how we can add a basic chart. Secondly, we will learn how we can add standard error bars. Then we will learn how we can customize the error bars value. And lastly, we will learn how we can make formatting of the error bars for more clarity. So in this data, you can see that we have two variables, and for the A variable, we have different replicated values, and we want to calculate the average. To calculate average, I'm going to write equal, and then I will write average. After this, I will start the bracket. I will select the range of cells where I want to calculate the average. Then I will close this bracket and press enter. So you can see that this 9.67 is the average of all the values that are given for the variable A. Then to calculate the average of the values given for the B variable, I simply need to put my cursor to the lower right corner of this cell and then drag it to the right. After calculating the average, the next step is to calculate the standard deviation. To calculate the standard deviation for the A variable, I will write equal, and then I will write STDEV and select the standard deviation function. After this, I will select the range of values for the A variable, and I will close this bracket and press enter. To calculate the standard deviation for the B variable, I will put my cursor on the bottom right corner and drag it to the right. So I have calculated the average as well as the standard deviation for both the variable. After calculating the mean and average, my next step is to create the graph or chart from using this data. So I will select the average for both the variables, and after selecting it, I will go to the Insert tab, and here in this Insert tab, I will go to this 2D column chart and I will select the simple bar chart here. I am going to delete this chart title because I don't need it right now. Now you can see that our bar chart is ready, and we need to add the error bars on this graph. To add the error bars on this graph, I have various options. The first thing is that I can go to this add chart element on the left side, and here I can go to the error bars, and then I will select the more error bar options. When I click the more error bars option, this format error bar window will open, and here you can see that I have the various options for the error bars. I can set the direction and style, or I can set the error amount in terms of fixed value, percentage, standard deviation, standard error, or custom. Most of the time we go for the custom value. So I will select this custom, and then I will select this specify value. When I click this specify value, this custom error bars window open. Here I have to give the positive error value as well as the negative error value. So first I will select the positive error value, and while selecting the positive error value, make sure to select it with the sequence in which we have given it in the chart. And then for the negative error value, I will go here and I will delete this value and select the standard deviation value from this data, and after this I will press OK. So as I press OK, you can see that the size of the error bar is different. On the first bar, the standard deviation is 1.07, so this bar is representing the value 1.07, whereas the error bar on the second column is higher as compared to the first column because the standard deviation for the B variable is 2.23. Now that we have added the error bars on the graph, our next step is to make formatting of these error bars to make them more clearer. For this purpose, I will go to this format error bar window, and then I will go to this first option, and here I can set various options for this error bar. For example, I can increase the width of the error bars by simply pressing this button upward, and I'm going to set it to 1.25 points. So you can see that now the error bars are more thicker as compared to the original. I can also set the dash type. Originally, you can see that it's a solid line. We can change it by going to this dash type option, and here if I select this dotted line, now you can see that the error bars are in the form of dotted line. After this, I'm going to close this window of the format plot area, and now you can see that the error bars are present on the bar chart. Now this error bar is not only limited for the bar chart, these can be added to any other type of the chart also. For example, if I change the style of this bar chart to another, I will go to this change chart type, and here I will select the line, and I will change this to the line graph. And even if you change the chart type, the standard deviation or the error bars will be present on your graph. The alternative method of adding the error bars on the graph is that you simply need to press this plus sign that is present on the right side of your plot area, and here you will scroll down, and here we will go to this error bar option, and then I will press this little arrow present in front of it, and as I press it, I'll go to the more options, and this format error bars option will be open, and then we can go to this custom option and specify value as I have taught you in the earlier method. And there you have it. Adding custom error bars in Excel is a straightforward process that can greatly improve the clarity of your data visualization. Experiment with different settings to find what works best for your specific dataset. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you